Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So in today's video basically I am going to walk you through how to create beautiful Instagram carousel posts using Canva step by step. Whether you are creating something motivational, educational, or just aesthetically pleasing, this tutorial has fully got you covered. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. But before that, make sure to check the link in the description box, or maybe it can be on the pinned comments. So basically, what is an Instagram carousel post? Okay, so let me show you Instagram carousel posts. Let's have enter. Okay, so basically it is a format that lets you upload images in a single post, as you can see here, allowing you to tell a story, share tips, recipes, codes, basically anything over a series of slides. So on screen, searching Instagram post, in here you can see the search bar right here. Just search for Instagram post. Now then search for it, and there you can see a lot of type of pre-made templates you can use for yourself. And as you can see, this pro text like the little crown icon here, these are basically the premium ones of Canva. So in order to use them, you must need a premium account, I mean Canva Pro ID, so that you can use them. But you should not worry, because today I'm going to show you all the steps in free. Like I'm going to use all the free resources. Don't worry for that. And also you can see this option create at the top left corner. Tap onto this plus icon, and from there you can search for Instagram post, and from there you have to choose 1080x to 1080x. So this one 1080px, both of them, choose this one. This is perfect for carousels actually. So on screen, Canva workspace with a red background and cupcake element here. Like you can choose background colors for it. So I will go with color. Let's choose a gradient color, because I really like gradient colors. So you can see this option, background color, choose it, and from there we can choose colors if you wish to use from here. And here you can see gradient, so I'm just gonna choose my manual gradient from here. So let's um, okay, let's choose this, and let's choose the side color too. So this one was the gradient color. Okay, let me choose more color, like I want to change the color to it. Okay, this one is perfect, I guess. Let's add a little bit. Okay, let me add again. Choose this. Okay, this one is perfect in my opinion. Okay, so let's choose this color. Now you can choose a background color like this. So I just go with a deep red. No, this one is light red. I guess. Now you have to go for elements and search for elements like cupcakes on the left. On the search elements, you have to search for cupcakes, and drag and enlarge the image which one you like the most, and add to your canvas. Okay, no, I would not add cupcakes. Let's add something like velvet watch. Okay, let's tap enter. Now you can choose them from here if you wish to. You can also go to graphics. These ones are mostly priced, so I'm just going to choose this one. This is pretty much nice. Now let's change the color of it. Okay, let's change the color to something else like white. Let's add gradient to it. Okay, let's choose a perfect color for it. I guess this one is perfect. Okay, this one is nice. Now let's say we want to add something else like this. Let's change its color and change it to yellow. Now make it smaller and add it to the back of this watch. So let's change it, send it to backwards. Okay, this is perfect. Now let's say we want to add some images to it, but before that let's see duplicate the page and crop image. Okay, so there's a cool trick to create a smooth scroll effect between slides. Use the transitive elements, go to elements again and search for transitive elements. Now tap enter and then you will go get some of them. So for now I will go with this one. So let's add it to the middle so that it looks aesthetic. And now let's add this, let's make it larger. Okay, I guess this one is perfect enough. Let's make it a little bit rounder. Okay, now let's add it to okay, that's it. Now tap onto animate and animate to blur. Okay, okay, that is enough, I guess. You can also add more here if you wish to. Let's add it to backwards. Okay, so that was it. Now let's see, you want to add more pages to your elements, just go to plus and then you can add more pages. From here you can change the background color, you can add more tools, you can also upload images if you wish to. So let me show you how you can add an image. Go to the image you want to choose, like you can upload files, click on to upload files and browse your image which one you wish to add. For now I would like to delete this one and image and would like to add this image here. So let's change it to back, like send backward. So as you can see this is nice, and let's change it to more backward. Okay, this is enough. Now let's see, let's change its opacity. For example, let's tap to 3 dot and let's choose to split page. Okay, okay, I guess without image this is more nice. So this is how you can use it, and go to share, and from there you can download it according to your need. You can, and if you want to download it to like these 5-second videos, just go to share, tap onto download file, go to mp4 videos, tap onto this mp4 video, then tap download. So that was it, and if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.